Hello and welcome to the course Master LLMs with LangChain. My name is Jones. I am the founder of AI Expert Academy, a membership platform focused on courses about artificial intelligence, data science, computer vision, natural language processing, and all the related areas. LLMs, or large language models, are advanced artificial intelligence models trained to understand and generate human-like language. Learning about LLMs is essential as they are transforming industries by enabling more natural and efficient human-computer interactions. Key applications include chatbots for customer support, content generation for digital markets, text summarization for data analysis, sentiment analysis for brand monitoring, translation for cross-lingual communications, and many others. Now I'm going to show you the content that is going to be covered. The first section is about the intuition about large language models. These lectures are theoretical, but they are very important in order to understand all the context of this artificial intelligence technique. If you want, you can increase the speed of the player. Then we are going to move on to the first implementation, LLM with Hugging Face. Most implementations will be done in Google Colab online, so you don't need to worry about installing all the libraries on your own machine. Another advantage is that we can use the free GPUs provided by Google. Here we can take a look at all the contents that we are going to implement: installation and configuration, token definition, how to load the model, create the tokenizer, the creation of the pipeline in order to generate text. We are also going to discuss about the most important parameters. At the end of this section, we are going to discuss about quantization, which is a technique to increase the performance, especially in environments with a low computational power. Then we are going to move on to the next section, which is LLM using LangChain. We are going to implement the code in the same Google Colab file. We are going to cover the installation, models, how to load the algorithm, and also how to work with chat models, prompt templates. You are going to understand about chains, which is part of the name LangChain. Discuss about LCEL language to create chains. You also will learn how to load models from OpenAI, such as ChatGPT. As a bonus, you will have access to the same file, but with a lot of comments and recommendations. For example, you can visualize in this Google Colab file that there are a lot of comments in each one of the sections. It is very useful in the case you want to study the code later, and also would like to recap all the implementation. The next topic is RAG applications. How you can build powerful algorithms to answer questions about domain-specific subjects. This is the other Google Colab file that we are going to use in the implementations. In this example, we are going to extract the content from a web page. In this example, it will be a page about the winners of the Oscar. Then you are going to learn all the steps of the RAG pipeline, and at the end, it will be possible to ask questions about domain-specific subjects. For example, who won the best actress, who won the best actor, and so on. Here we have a test without RAG. We are asking about the Oscars of 2024. See here that the response of the algorithm is saying that we are in 2023, since all algorithms have a limited knowledge until a specific date, and if you want to provide them with updated information, you need to use RAG. The next topic is about agents and tools. Here is the Google Colab file. Again, we are going to implement all the code step by step, and the tools are used to access information from external resources. In this example, we are going to connect our chatbot with Wikipedia, so it will be possible to extract information from this website. For example, we can ask what is the population of Rio. This text in green is the observation of the algorithm. I need to find the current population of Rio de Janeiro. I will search for the most recent information available on this topic. So it will run an action called Wikipedia. It is going to search for population of Rio de Janeiro. Here we can see the page that has been returned. See that in the end, we have another observation of the algorithm. The observation did not provide specific information about the current population, so it needs to search again. It automatically tries to run the action again. It is calling Wikipedia, but the search term is different. It is searching for demographics. It returns another page, and here is the summary. I have found the information I need regarding the population. So here is the final response. It's more than 6 million people. This is the example using Wikipedia. We are going to also use another interesting tool, which is Tavily. After exploring the basic content about LLMs, we are going to start implementing practical projects. The first one is about video transcription and summarization. Here is the file associated with this section. Again, all the implementations will be done step by step. The idea is to load videos from YouTube, and then we are able to run the model to give answers to us. For example, let's suppose that you need to watch a lot of videos, but you do not have time to do it. So you can send all the links to the algorithm, and it will be able to provide you the summary. Here is one example. We are accessing this video, Biological Fundamentals of Neural Networks. Here we have the information about the video, what is the video about, the main topics of the video, and also the response to the user query. You can ask anything about the video. Here we have another example. The 6 degrees, it is the name of the video. What is the video about? We have here a summary as well as the main topics. This is a very interesting way to get information from the videos without watching them. The second project is a chatbot with memory and web interface. For this project, the implementations are going to be done locally on your own machine. So you are also going to learn how to set all the environments in order to develop natural language processing projects. This is the code we are going to implement step by step related to this project. Streamlit is going to be used to easily generate the web interface. This is the example of the first project, your AI assistant, and then you can ask any question. For example, what is AI? Here is the response of the algorithm, very similar to ChatGPT web interface. The interesting point about this project is that we are going to implement a memory system. So, the algorithm will be able to remember the past interactions. In project number 3, you are going to learn how to create a web-based application to extract information from your own documents. It will be possible to select PDF files and then you can ask any question about them. Here is the web interface. On the left, we can visualize a panel to browse the files. In this example, I have 2 files, one about a company and the other a paper related to the content of the course. See here that then I can ask questions about the company. For example, tell me about Blue Nexus, and it is generating the text based on the information provided in the PDF file. We also have the sources, the parts of the file that has been used to extract the information. We can also ask questions about the other file. For example, what is attention? And the response is provided using this other PDF. Here we can visualize the sources used to generate the texts. This project is very interesting in the situations where you need to read a lot of papers, but you do not have time to do that. So you can upload all the files to this application and ask the chatbot to retrieve the desired information. Finally, regarding requirements, you need to know about programming logic and basic Python programming. We hope you have a great course and that you have a lot of ideas on how to use these contents on your own projects. See you in the next lecture.